Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. I was listening to someone the other day talking about, on the radio, talking about how we worry so much about things, but they're really things not in our control. And that we don't spend enough focus and attention on the things that we can control. I think it was a financial planner, and they were talking about we worry about, the global economy and everything, but really we should focus more of our attention on things that we can control, like our spending and our budgets and investing, things that we can do. And it really hit me, there's kind of a parallel in our cleaning businesses, right? That is, that rather than worrying about things that are out of our control, what we could do is spend time taking actions on those things that are within reach that we can do. So, for example, let's say you even called 10 people a day, or if not, sent out 10 marketing pieces a day. That's the kind of thing that is within our control. And boy, does that add up, right? I was just thinking that would be over 2,500 either calls or marketing pieces going out in a year. That's a lot of activity and a lot of touches going out to try to drum up new business. And that is within our control. Something to think about. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.